Hi there, students. Hapless. Hapless is an adjective. Haplessly would be the adverb. And you could even have a noun, haplessness, but I don't think it's very common. Okay, if you are hapless, you are unlucky, you're unfortunate, you're luckless. The hapless victim lay unconscious on the ground. The hapless businessman opened a restaurant just before the COVID-19 epidemic started. Yeah, he was very hapless. He was unlucky. He was unfortunate in doing the wrong thing at the wrong time. The hapless hero of the film suffered all types of misfortune. Yeah? All sorts of unlucky things happened to him. Probably a comedy that so many things went wrong. Their hapless journey became more and more difficult as things started to go wrong one after another. So, if you are hapless, you have hard luck. Something could be ill-fated or jinxed. It could be star-crossed or just plainly unlucky. My friend is always hapless when he falls in love because he always falls for the wrong person and it doesn't work out. The hapless adventure led to many funny occurrences, but it didn't work out. Finally, we had to cancel our hapless picnic. First of all, we were invaded by insects, and then it poured with rain. So finally, as things were going so haplessly, we gave up and went home. I can see a hapless fly struggling in a spider's web. The fly is struggling haplessly. Okay, so this is a word to say that you're unlucky, unfortunate, things have gone wrong, the fates were against you. So the next question is, how formal is this word? Well, I'd probably give it maybe a 6.5 in formality, maybe 7. I think hapless is a very old word, and I think people generally today would use it in a literary context. If you were writing an essay, hapless is a great word to use. But informally, just use the word luckless or unlucky. And then as to the origin, well, the word hap existed around 1400, and hap meant luck. And this word hap itself is derived from a Norse word, a Scandinavian word, hap meaning good luck. So if you are hapless, you are less good luck. You don't have good luck. So, I hope you are not hapless during this season and that everything goes to plan. Yeah, I wish you a Christmas without any hapless events. There you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hapless.